Welcome to AC Tech Talk. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to check for proper communicating signals. First place we need to check is at our indoor unit. We need to locate our green communicating plug. And we're going to be checking the green and yellow wires, which is our DX plus and our DX minus. Put our test leads on the plug. As you can see here, we're reading 4.1 and it's fluctuating. You should get a reading that ranges from 2.5 to 4.5 volts DC. If you do not have the communicating voltage on the green plug, go ahead and remove the plug from the control board and check the pins on the DX plus and the DX minus. You should have a steady voltage between 3.5 to 4.5 volts. Next, we want to go to our communicating wall controller, remove the front cover to access our base plate. We want to locate our DX plus and DX minus terminals, and we want to go ahead and check those terminals. We're looking for our communicating voltage. Should be a solid of 3.5 to 4.5 volts DC. Next, we want to go to our outdoor unit, locate our green communicating plug, and we want to check the DX plus and the DX minus terminals. We should have a communicating voltage of 2.5 to 4.5 volts DC. And you should see the green comm light on as well on the PCB board. And that's how you check for proper communicating voltages.